In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a clean and professional table of contents in Google Docs. Whether you're preparing a school assignment, organizing a long report, or you simply want to keep your document easy to navigate, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Google Docs file and go to the document where you want to add the table of contents. Once you're there, look for the text that will become your main headings and subheadings. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, highlight your first section title, then click on the normal text drop-down at the top. Over here, choose a heading style, for example, heading 1 for main sections or heading 2 for subsections. You'll see that the formatting changes automatically to match the heading style. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. After that, repeat this step for all the other sections in your document. Highlight each title, select the appropriate heading style, and adjust the font size or bold formatting if you want. Doing this correctly ensures your table of contents updates perfectly later. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure every heading uses the correct style, avoid manually adjusting spacing too much, and double-check that you haven't skipped any section titles. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed your headings, go to the place in your document where you want the table of contents to appear. Click once to place your cursor there. After that, go to the top menu, click Insert, then scroll all the way down until you see Table of Contents. You'll notice a couple of different formats, one with page numbers and one with blue links. Choose the one you prefer, and Google Docs will instantly generate the table of contents for you. After that, you should be able to see all your sections listed neatly, along with their page numbers or clickable links. It's also a good idea to update the table anytime you make changes by clicking the small refresh icon next to it. Taking this extra step ensures everything stays accurate and keeps your document organized. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to create a clean and automatic table of contents in Google Docs easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?